Yo, yo, what up, what up, what up? What's up, Biblical? How's it going? Good morning. Good morning, big dog. Let's go. Let's see here. Is it gonna reject right here, or is it gonna keep moving higher? Let's see. I saw that, man. Sucks. Yeah, I don't. I didn't know what that was about, but apparently, I don't know all the rules, but I know the main one is that 30% drawdown. But apparently, this Juvia said can't use more than half your max contract size. So I don't know. I just always stay with the same contract size. So I don't know. All right. Let's see. This is gold right here. Gold looks like it's chopping up to the upside here. Big old range. NASDAQ. Let's see if this is going to be the sweep to continue up higher. Swept the Asia low. Is it going to smash up higher? Or is it going to work its way back down here? Little pullback and then go higher? Or is it going to drop from here? That's what I'm going to try to figure out. Let's have a good day today. Let's have an easy day, easy win, and I'll be happy. Can we do that in Q? We have a nice, simple, easy day right here. Can we do it? Can we do it here? All right. See if it can kind of come down here, make some support, and move up higher. So I'm kind of looking at the moment. Or if it's going to keep on coming down. Give me just a second. Somebody's at the door here. All right. We're back. Let's see what's going to happen here. Take a look at gold. Gold's starting to move up here. Kind of break out of this trend line. Keep going up toward that previous day high. But just chopping for now on gold. Really would like to see a pullback here, make some support, and then break above that. Because buying it above here would kind of be buying it at the highs for me. I mean, slight pullback here. If it closes above there, it's probably going to the previous day high, but I would like a better kind of pullback. And then I could have, feel better about the trade. But if it closes above here, it's probably going to go up to these, re-break the highs. About 15 points. So let's see. But look at this. This is what happened this morning. This huge candle right here. It made this like trend line up. It made this trend lined up right here. Slow, choppy grind up, creating a lot of low resistance. Liquidity came up, swept the Asian high, little pullback, then came up, swept the previous day high, and from there, straight dump, closed below this little support zone, closed below the trend line, and once it closed below the trend line, that next candle dumped all the way down to the Asian low, and ever since then it's been working its way back up here. So that was pretty crazy. pretty crazy. Now we're gonna see what we can get here. It's at I feel like this is a pretty strong level here. It's kind of like that first this is where it broke out from and had that dump, so now it's coming back up and it's retesting that level. If we can get above it, we can start to move back higher here. Biblical, you looking at any inside bars here, man? I removed that indicator. Let me get it back here for a minute. Any inside bars going on, dude? There they are. The inside bars. Where's the VWAP? VWAP down there. And let's see. What's up, Devin? How's it going, dude? How's it going? How's it going? You played the Wordle today yet? I'm about to play it on stream, so go ahead and play it if you haven't. While I'm waiting on this NQ to make the bottom here, I'm gonna play the Wordle real fast. I think it's gonna move down here, and I hope it taps into here and then closes above there. That's what I'm hoping for. Let's see if that'll happen. Doing good, Devin. Doing good, man. Just waiting to see if we can catch a trade here. This move was here 4 o'clock. Nice, dude. Let's see if it works out for you. There's the inside bar. Looks pretty good. To come down at least till this area. Down here. This little shelf down here. Looks pretty good. Devin on the daily time frame. My daily bias. It's kind of tough. It's kind of tough because so on the daily we broke out above here, came down, tapped it, and we moved up. So, and now we're like at all-time highs. We are at all-time highs here. So, you know, this candle here could either keep pumping, keep going up, or it could start to work its way back down here to retest this level. Yeah, we'll see. We will see. That ICT stuff is wrong a lot of the times. We'll see. Hopefully it keeps going up. Yeah, I mean, at some point it'll probably, you know, or this may have been the retest. Right here, but at some point it's going to get a pullback. I mean, it's been moving up. At some point you're eventually going to get a pullback. See, like move up, you got this big pullback, move up, pullback, and here it's just been pretty much straight up. So at some point you're going to need a pullback. That's just because these are inside bars. So biblical trades the inside bars, and that yellow, those I got an indicator that automatically shows me them. Yep. Just when he says he's taking a trade on the inside bar, I just like to turn it on and it shows me the inside bars. I mean, pretty easy to see without it. It's just a candle where the wicks are inside of the previous candle. So see, this whole candle is inside of this previous candle. But this indicator is just pops them out easy. Bang, bang, bang. Pops them out easy for you. Oh, yeah. I see there's a 5 minute right here, dude. There's a 5 minute one right there. Yeah. I'm in steel this big one right here on the 1 minute. 1 minute, it's looking a little bit better in the pre-market. It's looking a little bit better, but still kind of chopped looking. So I'm still gonna sit over here on the 5. I still think it looks a little more clean. Still don't like the way the 1 minute looks in the pre-market. Yeah, Devin. VI is volume imbalance. Oh yeah. And let's see. What are those 1 minute? They kind of line up with this shelf area I have here. Down here. I think you look good. If you're still in that short. Got all of these lows right here. It's probably definitely going to come sweep. Let's see. I haven't decided if I'm looking for longs or shorts yet. You're looking for 127? Heck yeah, dude. Bring it down there. Bring it down. If it starts to break below this level here, I may start looking for some shorts. But if it comes down, taps this level, starts to hold, and then breaks to the upside, I'm going to be looking for some longs. So that's kind of the plan. It's kind of the plan right now. It got close. It got to 130. You need 127. 127 right there. You make it a green color for good. Green is good. See if we can get down there. Yeah, man, I'm making some stuff. Nothing too cool yet though. It's a little bit of the slow season with school starting and stuff on customs at least, but nothing really to show. I mean, just no cool rings or anything. Just people bringing like old jewelry. They want a little something changed on it, stuff like that, and then a lot of repair work. But don't think I have finished up anything different here. Oh yeah, it's coming. They're saving up for to spend it on Christmas. It's about to get jam packed. It's about to get jam packed. Yeah. They bring in gold to sell. We buy it too. It just depends, Devin, on like the size and clarity and stuff you go with. Biblical, we pay scrap price because we have to scrap it. We take it to the scrap man and melt it down. Devin, it just depends on the lab grown diamonds. It depends on what you want. I like them better because they look better. They look better and they're a better price, and they are actual diamonds. So that's why I like them better. Biblical, I'm not sure. We pay, depending on the day, around $35 a gram for 14 karat. Let me see what it is now. And that's the most around too that you're gonna get paid for scrap. Oh yeah, for sure. For sure, man. Look at this, coming to a crawl here on price. Dude, man. Coming to a crawl here. Yeah, dude, that'd be sick, man. That'd be so cool. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. We'll make something sweet. Nice, dude. Heck yeah, bib. Up 107. All right, let me see. Oh yeah, everybody's sleeping in, dude. Sleeping in. See if it's gonna close above here. If it's gonna close above, I'm gonna take a long. It might not close above there though. Nope, ain't gonna do it. Might. It might. Let's see. Didn't close above there. Yeah, but I'm gonna try a long here. I'm in a long. I'm in. If it breaks this wick right here, I'll go to break even. Yeah, if it breaks that wick, I'm gonna go to break even. It technically didn't close above there, so it could just rotate back down to the bottom of the range here. It's just risky. It's risky, but let's see. Might be coming down here, boys. Might be coming down. Got a little bit of, if it comes down to here, got a little bit of hope right here before it hits the stop. It starts to come down. Needs to bounce right there. If not, it's dumping. Might be coming down. So it just tapped into that spot and getting a bounce from there now. Let's see if we can get this back up into some profits here. Let's see. Let's see. It's working its way back up here. It needs to get through this level here to continue on up. This would be where it rejects here on the 1 minute time frame. Under here, we got a little 1 minute shelf right here. If it can get through that, it's going. If it can get through this little 1 minute zone right here, it'll be going. It's rejecting from it. Come on, get through there. Get through there. Get through there and pump now. All right, I'm moving my stop loss up under here now. Tesla's pumping. Let's go, dude. Come on. Pump it through there. Pump it through there. Come on, just do it. Just go. I'm actually gonna go to break even here. If it can get there. At a standstill at the moment. Who's swole, brother? Oh, can it pump? Can it pump? Can it get up there? Almost hit that break even. There's break even right there. Come on, pump it. Pump it. Pump it up there now. That break even. And stopped at break even. Oh, that's it though. I'm the BE king, bro. I'm telling you, the BE king. I love break evens. You know what? If it broke that wick and it went, it'd been a win. But I'm the BE king, brother. Break even. It's fine, dude. I don't care. I like to break evens. Because this could easily turn into like a tweezer where it just broke this wick and turns around now and comes down. This could be that little tweezer. The little tweezer. Yeah, it's looking like it's turning into that tweezer. Created this wick, broke this wick high, but left this one, and it might make the tweezer now. Also, there was no wick on the bottom of this 5-minute candle, which is why I really wanted to go to break even. There was no wick on the bottom of this candle. And yeah, I like the candles that have a lot of wicks. Almost every candle has a wick, so if it doesn't have a wick and I'm going the other way, it kind of scares me. But break even trade right there, I'll take it. Actually, I'm up $26. I went a little bigger than I went a little bit in profit there. So locked in a little bit, you know. Don't want to go completely break even. If I'm in the trade, I want to make a little bit of something. So I made 26 bucks right there. But 26 times 20, it's a good day. That's 400 bucks, you know. That's 400 bucks. Heck yeah, biblical. Let's go, dude. Look at it. It's starting to come down now. Look at that. BE. All right. We take a little screenshot. All right. We'll see. We will see here. I may be done. This one here, I really wish I would have taken it. I was thinking about taking it. I was looking at this, but the only thing that worried me was I think it's gonna keep going up, but the only thing that worried me were we were inside of this fair value gap, and I guess I was kind of mixing strategies here, but I was gonna take this long right here, but we were inside of this fair value gap, so I chose not to. Wish I would have now though. That's just how it goes. But we'll see. This could turn into some sales here though if it keeps rejecting below here, and then you get a close below here. You could get some nice sales down, at least till around this level here, or at least till the sweep here. If it gets a closure below here, could look like a sell-off until this wick low, and then down here to around this kind of level down here. But yeah, kind of like that right there. That's if it closes below here. A double top is just like the M&M pattern. I mean, not M&M, McDonald's pattern. Let me see if I can find it. If you ever see like a good M or a W, is like a double bottom. But kind of like similar to this right here. You see, I mean, people call it different, but if it's exactly equal, then it's not. But I consider this like a double top here. See how he came up, came down, up. That's kind of like a double top. And then you get this move down here. Kind of like double top. But like the W and M patterns, here's kind of a double top, but I feel like the double tops always kind of, you see, like this is like one of those shelf areas right there. So came up, it came down, came up to retest that shelf, and then dumped. That may be the same thing that happens today, actually. For looking over here, it kind of looks similar, a little similar. Got this shelf area over here. It's kind of rejecting, but it's rejecting too much. It's kind of knocking on it. I feel like if it was going to dump, it might have dumped from here and just kept going down, but keeps on knocking at this door. Eventually, it might just break through it. Oh yeah, man, I don't even know all the terminology. You want me to be honest, Devin? It's just like once you look at the chart enough, you just notice stuff. We'll see, man. 8 o'clock, 2 minutes. We're gonna get an 8 o'clock dump here. Could happen. Could happen here. Yeah, Devin, if I were you, man, I would the main thing is just look at the chart as much as you can. Try to pick up on things, place your place your eval trades or your paper trades, and then once you place enough trades, you start to pick up on things a lot faster than you think. It'll just kind of come to you like, oh, I've seen this before, and when it kind of makes this pattern here, it usually continues or it usually reverses and just kind of stuff like that. Like one of my favorite is when you get these like trend line moves up, it'll usually trend up and then you'll get like one acceleration higher and then a dump. So I mean, this one isn't the best kind of example of that, but here you get like this kind of move, abnormal move higher, and then it dumps down like this. So, I mean, this isn't the best example, but it's like an abnormal move higher and then it dumps down. So that's one of the ones I look out for. If you get like a nice trend line like this, usually before it dumps down and runs some of this trend line down, you'll get one spike higher and then it'll dump down. If you just take a look back, you can probably notice that sometimes. And then usually but that's like any kind of reversal. Like if you look for any kind of reversal, you're going to get that one fake move the wrong way. It's like going to look super abnormal to the wrong side. So like here, you see this reversal down, you get this one huge green candle straight up and then it reverses it right back down. Same thing here. Even though this is the trend line, see, this is that one abnormal candle up and then it dumps down. And then here also get a huge dump down and it reverses it straight back up. Same thing here. Look at this. Boom. Immediate dump to reverse back up. So that's what I just kind of look for those abnormal. If I'm looking for shorts, I'm going to try to wait on that abnormal move. If I'm looking for a reversal. I mean, you still use your entry models. So like on this here, this abnormal move, you could I mean, pretty much any entry model is gonna work here. So there's an inversion right there. You got your break below this kind of level here. Close below, you could enter there. So if you're on the right side of the market, really any entry level is gonna work. I mean, even look at this. Biblical's inside bar here works. There's the inside bar, close below it, dump. So if you're on the right side of the market, any entry model you use will work. But so that's why I say it's not really about the entry model. It's more about figuring out where you think it's going to go. Figuring out where you think it's going to go. But yeah, it's 8 o'clock here. Not much happening. Dude, and oh yeah, Devin. Main thing is, dude, just chart time. Dude, I used to hate when people tell me that. I used to literally hate it, man. I know. Exactly, biblical. Yeah, I mean, Devin, we've all been there. And, you know, you think, oh, there's no way I'm going to learn this just by looking at these stupid candles all day. Like, I got to know the secret strategy, the secret sauce. But literally, there's not. If you want me to, there's no secret to it. It's just the more you look at it, the better you get. And that's literally anything in life. You put in the time, you'll get it. I mean, there's people that'll help you, like me and Biblical, who can give you these little tips to look for. But you literally just gotta look at the chart to, because everybody's brain processes it different. So you gotta figure it out on your own, kind of. Yeah, discipline. Discipline is really, really big. Yeah, but I think that's going to be it for me here today, in the pre-market at least. I'm probably just going to wait. It's probably going to pump up now. I needed, looks like maybe one more tap back in here to this level, this little shelf. One more retap in there, and it looks like it's probably going to pump now. Yeah. I'll stay on a little bit longer in case Juvia wants to hop on here, but probably gonna get off around 8:15. Just because I don't think I'm gonna get another trade here. I don't think I'm gonna get another trade. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking here too. Breaking higher here. Maybe the level to break was about here, and there it goes. I just had the level wrong, dude. I had the level slightly lower than it needed to be. If I would have put it right at the bottom, of this this kind of shelf here, this candle here didn't close above there, and then here tap back into this shelf, closed above there, and that was all it needed to pump up here. Would I've gotten stopped out on this trade though? That's what I'm wondering. Let me see. Would I have gotten stopped out? Nope. Would not have gotten stopped out of here. Would have been a win. Well, I'm not going to speak too soon here, but it's really close to that win there. Yeah, looks like we're going to run these highs up here. We'll see. That's what it looks like. Go, yeah, dude. And we're at all-time highs, so hard to short at all-time highs. And then you get these two wicks right here. So you get these two wicks that are pretty much even, and a lot of times it's gonna come take out these even levels. So you got that right there and that right there, pretty much even. I mean, this wick here swept it by a hair and dumped off from there, but they're pretty much equal. I would imagine at some point it comes and breaks higher a little bit, but look, right back down it goes. So look at that, dude. That's crazy. How many did it give us? Like 9.75 there. It would have been one tick away. One tick away. One tick. I'm not in it. I'm not in it right now. I got stopped out at break even, but I'm still just seeing if it would have played out if I kept the full stop loss here. I made like 26 bucks here, stopped in a little bit of, put my stop loss a little bit in profit. So made 26 bucks, but let's see if it would have worked if we would have held. Would have been one tick away right there. If it dumps here, that would be dirty. Yeah, Pegasus. It would be testing my sanity, but I'm not in it. I'm not in it. But if I was still in it, dude, I would be... I probably would have gotten stopped in profit here. Because I like to trail my stop loss up. So I probably, like, let me draw a little line here. So like, say this is my stop loss here. As it goes up, I kind of trail my stop loss behind it. So I probably would have left my stop loss around there as it started to come up here. And then I would have gotten stopped around there. Just to lock in a little bit. But yeah, would have been pretty livid. Yeah, it's hard to have a long bias for sure, Bib. That's why I take these little short trades. I know you do the same thing too. These little quick trades, You can have a bias that can be right for the short term, and every now and then you can get a good bias, like on when it sweeps some of these highs and stuff, like previous day high, and especially with this trend line liquidity here, get a pretty good bias to the downside. But a lot of the times it's hard to get those long term. And now it's retesting this new shelf here, so let's see if it can bounce from there and then go back up to those highs. Keep bouncing off of these shelves here. Nah, I think I like the purple box best. I like the purple box. Maybe I do up it a little bit though. Nah. Nah. All right, go ahead. Get on up through there. Nice, dude. Nice. It's a man eater. Dude, that's my ringtone on my phone. You ever heard that song? She's a man eater. It's my ringtone. Oh yeah, dude. Me too. Let's see if it's gonna burst through there. All right, Devin, we'll see you. I'm about to hop off of here. It looks like it just ain't gonna do it. While I'm on here, at least I get off, it'll be pumped right through there. But yeah, I'm about to get off of here. Hope you guys have a good one. Let me know how you do in the Discord, and I'll see you. Peace.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Charts go up, charts go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster.